Design can help us create meaningful relationships between people and its built environment. Hi, I'm Hans. I'm the curator and the founder of R for Repair. R for Repair was an exhibition that we made in 2020 and 2021. What we did was to commission 10 designers, and each of them repaired creatively an object volunteered from the public. I wanted to create some tension between the object and the designer so that we could create unexpected outcomes. So one of the projects that I was really surprised of was the repair of those broken spectacles by Kinetic. What they did was, instead of repairing the spectacles, they 3D printed the torso and the head of the owner and manipulated the head to fit the broken spectacles instead. For me, this piece of work was really important for the exhibition because it showed a different dimension of what repair could do. Sometimes when things are broken, it is our seeing and our thinking that needs to be revitalized or repaired, and not just the object in itself. Clement's repair process for this object was quite fascinating. With his conversations with the owners, he learned the story behind the memory of the clock and how it was important to the owners. So what he did was to ask both of them to contribute 11 quotes of their time together. So by gesture control, you could trigger these 11 messages that will appear randomly, and it will remind them of their time together. In the second iteration, we had designers based in the UK repairing objects from Singapore and vice versa, and the outcomes were exhibited at the Victoria and Albert Museum. And for us, that was really important because it was the first time a curatorial concept or idea from Singapore was accepted and exhibited at one of the world's leading museum of art and design. This project is really important for me because it is a response to this hyper-consumerist culture that we have. And I think repair is a very important element to think about, because if you are able to repair an object meaningfully and restore not just its function but also to add a different layer of meaning to it, in terms of a relationship between the owner and the object, I think that becomes something new. And that's, I think, what design and creativity can offer.